guys, it's Mariana. Today we're gonna make a paper claw. First things first, before we start the video, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like, and also comment that you subscribe. Okay, first things first, you would want to start with a regular piece of paper. You would want to fold the sides into like a triangle, and you can even it out, and you can start to fold it. I'm going way too fast. You can pause this video. Now you can increase it. So you do this. Next you want to fold this one to the side. So you want to fold it. So it looks like a little house. Next you want to fold these two edges. And do it to the other side. Next you then want to make it, you want to fold the top into here. Then you want to fold these two edges. Like this, they could reopen it. So just like this inside. Now you would want to take your right part and make it like this. Next you will take your left one and do this into the other side.
Just like that. Yeah.
So you make it like this, fold it like this. So look like this on the other side. And the last things you want to do is fold this edge into this little pocket. So once you fold it into this pocket, like this, you made it for yourself a claw. You would want to put your little finger and dip it up. Now this time, we also made another one. So let's put this on. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye guys!